Good afternoon. I am here in Carrollton, Georgia today. I am in a home that is in a full remodel construction. The home is not all complete, but I wanted to give you a couple of glimpses of things that are complete. I'm in the basement of this home and we have redid all the staircasing here. We did the stair treads, we did the ballisters. She changed out these are iron ballisters, and then you've got your wood box post with the handrails. Turned out really pretty. It flows right into the main level of this basement floor. We've got an LVP here all throughout the basement level here, and then we come along to the bathroom and it follows along right into the bathroom. And then you've got this beautiful tile work on this back wall. It's just swirls of blue and white and like a goldie brown color. And then we've got a 12 by 24 tile on a stacked pattern, and then a honeycomb tile on the main tile or the main shower floor. We've got all gold accents throughout this shower. Really complements each other, pulls together so nicely. You've got your gold that mixes with this, and then it pulls from the main floor here. I really love the selections that they chose. And then we come along throughout the basement here, and we've got, like I said before, the LVP that follows all along through this main floor throughout this basement. And then we've got the kitchen right here with the hexagon pattern backsplash on the main back wall. Turned out really pretty. Her bar here has some blue tones, white swirls with that white hexagon tile on the back. Gold accents throughout the kitchen area as well. Pulls together so nicely. And now I'm going to take you to the top level of this home, so follow along. I'm going to take you through the upstairs main level. Again, we did the ballisters, the stair treads, the wood panels here, or the rails, and then it's a European white oak throughout the upstairs level. I love how wide the planks are. You really see the detail in the wood. So pretty. It continues along down the side of this other stair casing. How pretty. Just very simplistic, elegant, clean lines, gorgeous. I'm gonna take you into the master bathroom. It is stellar. It is a large square tile on the main floor, circle bathtub, gold accent pieces, this gorgeous, like a black cabinet, gold accent pieces with this beautiful, thick countertop. Look how elegant that looks. It's so pretty. And then the bathroom shower. We have the tile on the main floor, just continues up the wall here. And then you have a herringbone pattern on the main shower floor. And then the tile just continues throughout the whole shower. That's a wrap for now. I will show you the rest whenever as the project's complete. So thanks so much, and I hope you have a great afternoon.